Today, guys, we're going to be finding out if Lucas Racing ZDDP TB Zinc Plus engine break-in oil additive can help with engine noise and stop wear, as it claims. Well, try to say that 5 times fast. You're not going to believe what happens next. First, we'll start off by showing you guys just how much noise this engine has before using the formula. .5. Guys, do you think this will help with engine knocking or ticking sounds? If so, drop a comment below letting us know, or let us know what will help. Directions state for Lucas engine building: add 1 bottle to engine upon initial braking. Valve train protection. For maximum protection, use 1 full bottle with each oil change. Well, as you just saw, this is an engine break-in additive. The downside of this, it does contain a high level of ZDDP zinc. That is what makes this stuff work so great. But unfortunately, this can be bad for catalytic converters. This is why it's designed for older engines. However, if your engine isn't burning oil, which mine isn't, then I will actually use this because it has a high zinc content. Or you can use other additives. Just always follow your manufacturer's recommendations. Please, guys, don't overfill your engine oil. Make sure you drain out the exact amount of Lucas that you add to your engine oil. Well, moment of truth. Let's fire this engine back up, allow it to run through the engine, and we'll find out just how well this stuff actually works. Guys, did you actually expect to see such a great improvement? Well, I didn't. I allowed the engine to hit operating temperatures for both tests and for the Lucas to flow through the engine. So, what do you think? Have you ever tried this one before? Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.